Oh, mate. Yes, yes, travel gang. Welcome to the video. And here we are today, West Wittering Beach, West Sussex. One of, or mainly only, one of Sussex's finest white sand beaches. It's a lovely hot day here in England. Temperatures approximately, I think about 28 degrees, almost 30 in the afternoon. It's not afternoon just yet, where it is now. So yeah, good afternoon from West Wittering Beach. Here I am, Mills. How you doing? Hope everyone's well. Long time no see. It's a vlog for you people. Check out England, one of England's finest beaches, West Wittering. Wow. Some sort of plane, some aero stunts there, some sort of fighter jet, old school. But yes, people, here we are, West Wittering. It's a lovely fine beach. It's located near Chichester, West Sussex. We drove here today. Took us about an hour and a half from the Gatwick region, Gatwick area. It's about 50 miles. And if you're coming from London, you're looking around about 80 miles. It's about 2 hours from London. Yeah, it was a nice drive through the countryside. As you can see, ram jam, a lot of people. Still people flocking in. Some beach huts there where you can hire for the day, or you can own if you've got extra pocket money in your bank. Make sure people, if you do come here, plan in advance. Go on to Just Park. I'll leave the link in the description. Costs £8.60 from 6 AM to 8:30 PM, so it's not too bad. Yeah, I see a lot of people complaining on the internet. £8.60, but to me, £8.60, it's not bad, mate. It's not bad at all. The quality of the beach you get here, the guys to keep it clean. There's lifeguards as well on the operation, so it's all safe. Come with my family today. I'll show you them shortly. We're gonna enjoy the beach. But this is it, people. Travel gang. You should hit that like button, subscribe, hit those bell notifications as well. I've got some more videos for you here at West Wittering Beach. Sorry, I've got more videos for you around England now that I'm back. Don't forget to check out the Guatemala videos, there's plenty. But yes, people, it's my hometown, Sussex. Here we are. It's amazing, people, check it out. So if you guys don't drive, right, while I'm talking, let's go down here. If you guys don't drive, there is a bus. There is a bus that you can catch from Chichester railway station. I think it's one of the stagecoach buses. I think it might be about half hour. Well, it takes you to Wittering's, the village. Then it's a short walk from the village. There's disabled access as well. For any of my people watching, you're disabled, don't worry. You can borrow a beach wheelchair because you need it here, as you can see. It's only £20, fully refundable. Make sure you book in advance, going to westwitteringestate.co.uk. There's a cafe as well, open 9 to 4, coffee, ice cream, takeaway food, toilet showers as well. Yes, people, Here we are. West Wittering Beach, travel gang. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have you been here before? As you can see, it's pretty clean. I've not seen anything. I've read loads of reviews. People are saying there's dog poop everywhere, but dogs are not actually permitted here on the beach during summertime, which I think it's from mid-May to mid-September. So you don't have to worry. It's really clean. There's mum and dad here chilling. Hello, guy.
Hello. Hello, Eleni. Eleni is a...
Nah. Only video, yeah, it's making video. Video banana so. Yeah. Hello, mate. How you doing? You alright?
Yeah.
So show me your wristband. What you got there? Look, and is my number there? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm making a hole.
Just making a hole. How you doing, mate? You alright?
Yeah.
Good, yeah.
Yeah. So you're making a hole.
Hey. Hello.
Stop.
Yes, people, it's hot here. It's almost peaking 30 degrees. So make sure you keep watching the video. Just gonna chill now for a bit, enjoy the beach, have something to eat. We've got packed lunch sandwiches. There is a cafe here, but I'm not sure about the food. But yes, people, check it out. Make sure you stick around. We'll show you more of the beach. I'll catch up with you in a bit.
Guys, we're at West Wittering Beach and now we're going to go in the water and it's really cold and it's salty.
Okay.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yep, and subscribe.
Boss man.
And what they gotta do is subscribe to which channel, guys?
Travel gang.
Yes, travel gang, here we are. First time here at West Wittering Beach. Yes, mate. Yes. Ooh. Nice and fresh, isn't it? Yes, people. Ooh, yeah. Nice, isn't it? Yeah, the water's, as you can see, people, beach is ram up, packed. And, yeah, and the water's surprisingly cold, you know. But it's nice, I ain't gonna lie. Really good. Yeah, and I've got a few more, I've got a bit more information for you guys. So there's a lot of walking to do around here. If you walk west that way, I don't know if you can see it, well that way actually, you've got Chichester Harbour. So just behind me you've got Chichester Harbour, you can walk all the way down there. You've got Chichester Harbour and what's that, seaweed, yeah? Okay, nice. And if you walk that way, west, you'll end up at Bracklesham and East Wittering, because round here, like I showed you earlier in the car park, there's nothing there, guys. If you do want to experience cafes, restaurants, bars, you want to be heading that way, Bracklesham, and you've got East Wittering over there.
Can I say something?
Yes, people. What do you want to say?
I'm about to jump in the water.
Alright, go on, jump in the water. Show them how it's done, guys. Go on. Go. Now the tide's gone out. Check it out, my travel gang. It's like a little island, bit of island stretch in the middle. Where you can chill. Yeah, over there, look. Let's go. Look at it, guys.
Oh, there. No, you can walk up there.
Check it out, people. Yeah. No, he on there.
Seperti orang tahu dia.
Wow, look at that. We've got a nice little island now, people. Now that the tides come back in. West Wittering travel gang. Would you come here to this beach? Let me know. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to come to this beach. Crazy. Can't believe this is England. How many of you people have been to this beach? Let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, get those bell notifications as well. Travel gang to show you more of beautiful England. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos, more places to see in England, especially the sunny south. That's where we're at. Travel gang. West Wittering. Let me know what you think of this beach. Let me know if you'd like to come down. Any questions, let me know. Hope I've covered everything for you guys. Peace in the Middle East. And we out.